Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to cancel a trade on Paxful. To cancel a trade on Paxful, first of all, open the Paxful application on your mobile device, or you can also open up a web browser and get to paxful.com website. Either way, log into your account first, and once you're inside the home page, go ahead and tap on the Trades button at the bottom right-hand corner. Your active trades will be displayed on the screen. Choose the active trade you want to cancel and tap on it. On the next page, go to the top right section of the screen and tap on Cancel Trade. Go ahead and type in I did not pay in the text box to cancel your trade. After you do that, click on Cancel Trade and you will be able to cancel the specific trade right away. This will end the transaction if both parties have not yet marked the trade as complete or it hasn't been funded yet. That is how you easily do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.